Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to talk about Helix, the latest AI-powered humanoid robot from Figure, designed to make life easier and efficient. This robot can handle your daily chores like putting away groceries, sorting packages, and more, all with just a simple voice command. So let's see how Helix is exactly working. But before we start, if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to Algorithm Live and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. And also follow me on my social media handles to get super fast tech updates. Let's get started. So what makes Helix so special? Helix is changing the way we think about robots. Unlike traditional robots that require extensive programming for specific tasks, Helix uses advanced AI to understand voice commands and performs tasks in real time. This means no pre-programming, no complicated setup, just tell it what to do and it figures out the rest. In a recent demo, Figure showcased two Helix robots successfully put away groceries like placing items in the fridge, cabinet and countertop. The most impressive part that these robots had never seen these items before, yet they analyze their surroundings, identify where things should go and work together to get the job done. In another demo, Helix is seen working in logistics, efficiently sorting the packages. It scans its environment, identifies the package and places them in their designated spots. This is a game changer for industries like warehousing and supply chain management. The ability to quickly adapt and handle different objects without human intervention brings us one step closer to fully autonomous robotic workers. So how does Helix work? It combines advanced AI vision with real-time decision making. The robots scan the surroundings, recognize objects, and decide the best placement based on context, all without any human training. This level of autonomy makes them perfect for both industrial and home applications. Figure isn't stopping here. They plan to start home testing in 2025, bringing humanoid robots even closer to real-world applications. With ongoing improvements in precision and reliability, Helix could soon become an everyday assistant in your home, helping with chores, organizing spaces, and making life easier. So what do you think about Helix? Would you want a humanoid robot in your home doing household chores? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Algorithm Live for more amazing videos. Thank you for watching.